Right, so I guess we'll call that a success. I got a little tiny casting tab down there. It's like 1/2 millimeter. Just gotta clean that up. I just touched the top of the transfer, which is what I was going for, well, the bottom of it. So I'm gonna just clean that up by hand. Piston should clear all this. A couple little imperfections in this stuff. I don't know if that's gonna make a difference, but we are done. 58mm hole. So what I did is I 3D printed a 58mm spacer. You can see it slightly bigger. Is the top. Let's see if I can do this one. Yeah, here we go. There we go. And there she is. So I 3D printed that as an alignment tool for when I drill these holes. So now it's perfectly centered. So when I mark and drill these, the piston will be dead center of that. So not too bad. Alright, so I put the jug on, and I just use this big screwdriver to put it down each hole since it's like perfectly tight. And I smacked it a few times to get an indent. So now I have all the centers of where my holes need to go. Of course it won't focus on one, right? But anyways, that's all I did. Alright, so we got the head all aligned, bolted up, looks good. Alright, not bad at all. So the crankcase is done. Alright, peace out.